How to download music from YouTube to MP3. In today's tutorial, I will show you some of the quick and easy way in order to download music from YouTube to MP3. First of all, go ahead and open any preferred browser on your device, and on the web address bar, simply type in youtube.com to open the web version of YouTube. Press enter on the keyboard once you type.
Hey guys, today let's
And then you will get access to this page. So let's click on the home screen and you will get access to the home screen of YouTube. So once you open it, at the left panel you will easily find out different options here. Simply you need to scroll all the way down and go to YouTube Studio. Once you open the YouTube Studio of your YouTube, you need to again scroll on this left panel and select Audio Library, which you can easily view, which is underneath customization option. So let's open it, and here you will see the different kinds of tracks and music here. If you'd like to hear what kind of track it is, then you can easily play the audio track. So let's click on it. In the similar way, you can easily check all the track you'd like to, and then once you like any of this track, you can click on this download button which is next to this track. So let's click on it, and it has already been downloaded as well, and you can easily locate this file. So let's click on it and show it in folder. You can easily copy this anywhere using Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then you can also copy and paste this on the new folder. So let's open a new folder, and by clicking or pressing on Ctrl+V, you can easily paste it, and later you can easily use this track or MP3 file of YouTube music to your YouTube videos and still get monetized using this free music titles or track on your videos. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.